Samsung Q95T 85-inch. So top model 4K QLED in a ginormous size. Right, there's tabs all around, so I'm guessing the box unwraps around it, and then we should be able to lay it down there, shouldn't we? Yeah. Should we just open the top and get whatever out the top first? Connect. We'll have to make a plan for that. If worst comes to worst, I'll chop it into the wall, but it won't be today. What we could do, if they've got time,
yeah, we'll do it.
I could zip that wall open and get it all the way to there. Let's get the thing up on the wall, get it working, and then we'll move on from there. Pardon?
What about the other way, Dan? You're going to sort of...
We're not going to get that behind this.
No, but put a... You're going to cut the one connect cable into the wall. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Had so, but we'll get it all up, make sure it works, and then we'll do that bit afterwards.
Yeah, we'll do it all today.
No, let's just lift the bottom. Get your tabs out. Yeah, but we want it back into one afterwards.
We're going to do lift it up and off.
Might have to do. Take the side off like you're doing, and we'll put it back together afterwards.
Yeah, I think so. That's easier.
Yeah, and then we can lift that over. Hang on, your tabs are still on at the back.
Mine on?
They are, two of them.
Oh, sorry.
Right, pop that onto there and we'll rebuild it as a box. Saying that, do we even need to? Because we can get the arms on the back here.
Yeah. I think
we'll get the arms on the back.
Yeah,
keep it in the polystyrene.
Yeah.
It's not going to tip, is it? Keep that in for weight. Yeah.
It is.
Two USB inputs on the side of the giant One Connect box. It's got twin SAT input, aerial, mains, IEC above there, CI card slot reader, digital optical audio out, wide internet, HDMI ×4, freebie and enhanced audio return channel, and the One Connect input next to it. One Connect lead. Standard remote, smart remote, and user manual. Okay, so this is looking at the back of the TV there. We're using the 600mm by 400mm standard VESA mount, M8 bolts that are 20mm long, single washer on each to attach those arms straight to the back of the TV. You can see either side of the VESA mounts there, we've got those indentations for the no gap wall mount. So the no gap wall mount on a TV this size and weight is split into two halves to distribute the weight evenly across the television. That will get it nice and tight to the wall, also allow you to tilt it forwards. We're using the standard VESA mount though because we want that 20mm gap for the old wires that are still coming out the wall, which may be used at a later date. That's the back of it again. Double no gap wall mount there using a standard bracket. connect. One, two, three. Yep, okay, spirit level off. 6 holes to be drilled where we've marked out for the wall plate there, so about 120 mil long I think, the concrete screws we use, so nice and deep into that block work there, because obviously we don't want it to be able to pull out and pull forwards and come off that wall. Dustpan to collect the dust. You have that one there and all of that, because that's a bit shorter, isn't it? Oh shit. Oh. Right, should be alright. Old cables from the old TV, so they're redundant. That's the wall bracket in place. One connect lead which I've slotted in to be finished off later. 2-man lift for this television. So we've got a piece of cardboard on the mantelpiece, so we can just pop the TV onto there while we get ourselves ready. The arms are on the back as we saw, rail is on the wall, so all we've got to try and do is hook the TV onto that rail behind it. So once we think we are on the rail, we can just gently slide it side to side just to be sure we're firmly on. Then the next step, you can see there, concentration on my face, I'm trying to do it by feel, is to get that one connect lead into the back of the TV. You can see there, I'm tilting the TV out, which the wall mount allows me to do. When I've got that one connect lead in, it will make a sort of positive clicking sound, so we know it's in. That's the centre, so we need to get that Samsung S to it. Oh, the tiniest fraction your way, I think. That's it? Yep, that'll do for me. And get the other side. You're alright, I'm coming your way. That's okay, I've got it. Best thing they did was put these on, it's immaculate, isn't it, underneath? You saw what happened with that bit of plastic we left on top of this one, didn't you? Left that bloody horrible residue on. Yeah. Excelente. Is the skybox turned on?
Yes, it is. HDMI 1.
Can you turn the Blu-ray on, please?
It is on. Yeah, load it. Yeah,
Yeah, that's it.
You got Wi-Fi?
Wired, yeah.
What wired was it?
Yeah.
You seen all the boxes then?
I think so.
Well, you got to anyway, is it really?
Yeah. I bet they haven't used a Blu-ray for a long time. Yeah, Blu-ray, and it should come up Sky Q. Should. What are we here? East of England?
Yeah. Very much east. Can't get much more east.
No, well, any more east and you're in the sea, aren't you?
Yeah.
For their integrity, and that's the frustrating part for me, I think.
Layla's been downgraded, but should still get a place at university because of the flexibility in this year's admissions. But after all her school years, these grades are about more than that.
After uni, if you're going on to and you're getting a job, you might be up against someone.
To appeal and wanting a wider rethink.
Teachers do this job day in, day out. They know the students. And I can't see how you can move that many grades in the wrong direction. It just does not make sense to me. So we're not happy at all.
If teachers' estimates had been accepted without question, today's results in England would be up 12%. Now, standardisation has flattened that to a 2% rise. But who's up, who's down? Where is the worst impact being felt? That detail is the key to working out if this system is truly fair. For those who've missed out, all is not lost. Clearing's busier than ever with lots up for grabs. And today's results may still not represent the final assessment for the class of 2020, the COVID generation. Dan Johnson,